Welcome, and thank you for watching Cornerstone Credit Union's 2014 Year in Review. Cornerstone Credit Union has always been committed to our members and owners. To reinforce this commitment, we chose to revise our vision and mission statements to better define and highlight our members' focus. Cornerstone's new vision is creating an amazing experience and tailoring financial solutions at every point along life's journey.
With Member First as a priority, we work hard to enhance our delivery options to ensure every interaction provides the best service possible, whether that's over the telephone, in branch, or at your kitchen table. Another exciting aspect of Member First and part of our new mission statement is our understanding that every member has a life story and every story is unique. Our role as the financial services provider is to capture that story, understanding their needs and expectations today and in the short term, as well as understanding their dreams and goals for the future. Once we have the story, we then need to identify and offer all and only products and services that will help that story play out the way our members expect it to. And hopefully along their journey, we exceed their expectations by helping make a few dreams come true that they didn't expect would happen. With Member First being about providing great value, Cornerstone was proud to partner with Connexus and Innovation Credit Unions in 2014 to be the first full-service financial institutions in our marketplace to offer a no-fee transaction account to our members. We call it Freestyle. Freestyle really is a no-fee, no minimum balance, no strings attached transaction account that's been widely accepted by our members. Through providing great value, our goal is to have our members conduct all their business with us.
From our Freestyle Collaboration, we entered in a formal agreement with Connexus Credit Union, Innovation Credit Union, and Synergy Credit Union to move into a formal collaboration between the four credit unions. This collaboration will allow us to enhance member service and allow us to actually do a better job of resource requirements within our credit unions and ultimately benefit the members. It'll allow us to have the benefit of volume and scale because the four of us actually end up being a $10 billion credit union, but still allow us to have the local flavor and needs met of our individual credit unions. Staff is a critical focus for our organization. All delivery services end up coming through our staff. We're very proud of the staff that we have and the culture that we've built. We were named top employer in Saskatchewan this year. We're very proud that we invested a minimum of 3 days for each employee to ensure that they had the right training and processes in place to deliver on that commitment of Member First. Community is one of the key stakeholders that we have, and we are very proud that our staff is committed to our communities, and we support that. Community involvement is a critical piece of our organization. So this year, our staff invested over 5,300 hours of their personal time back into the communities. As well, Cornerstone supported over 430 communities and community organizations to the tune of some $200,000 to ensure that we're giving back to those communities that we live in and work in. So 2014 was an excellent year for Cornerstone Credit Union financially. Cornerstone's balance sheet grew by 6.5% in 2014, with year-over-year loan growth of 6% and deposit growth of 7%. Cornerstone also grew our off-balance book of assets with a year-over-year growth rate of 6%. Profitability was better than expected with total earnings of $7.4 million. Return on our average assets was also stronger than expected and prior year at 0.91% of assets. Cornerstone reduced its operating ratio from 2.89% for 2013 to 2.60% for 2014, allowing us not only to be more profitable, but also ensuring that we remain competitive and offer the best rates and fees to our members. With an improved margin and a better operating cost ratio, Cornerstone has continued to improve its efficiency ratio, reducing that measure from 75.1% in 2013 to 73.5% in 2014. Midway through 2013, regulators introduced new capital standards for credit unions. Cornerstone's capital position in relation to the new standards continues to exceed both current and proposed future regulatory standards for capital requirements. However, during 2014, Cornerstone refined its internal capital adequacy process. This is called ICAP, which is a new regulatory requirement. And as a result, we believe it would be prudent to further increase our capital levels. With the changes to our regulatory environment and the result of our ICAP process, there is a need to further grow our capital position. For this reason, Cornerstone has chosen not to pay into our member equity program from our 2014 earnings, and instead direct 100% of the current year's profits to retained earnings to increase our required capital position. 2014 was an outstanding year for Cornerstone Credit Union. We grew our balance sheet, we increased benefits to our membership, we increased our profitability, and continue to be a strong and stable financial institution. None of this can be done without our key stakeholders, our members, our staff, and our communities. It is the commitment and support of all these stakeholders that make Cornerstone Credit Union the great organization it is today. On behalf of Cornerstone Credit Union, we thank you for your business and look forward to working with you and for you in the future.